Lord, as I seek to serve you, may you find in me what's pleasing to your heart. I leave my world like Calvary, taking on a nature humbled by your scars. For I know it's only through your love that who I am is hidden by your grace. Let my desires be overshadowed as I recall the purpose of that grace. Hide me behind the cross, where my days become as lost, and only your glory is in view. Your power will be revealed. The more I am sealed, hide me behind the cross, so the world sees only you. If I rely on my strength to be the source of hope for those in need, the only profit I could gain would be the empty honor of my deeds. But with all self behind your cross, the splendor of your love stands free to shine, illuminating with your power, reaching souls, so you alone are glorified. So hide me behind the cross, where my gains become as lost, and only your glory is in view. Your